everyone, my name is Enya Comfort. I am a business consultant for AEDI, Implementation of Business Plan. Now, what is a business plan? A business plan is a document that describes your business, its products and services, all that you have to do in your business, everything that has to do with your business, your financial aspect, the product you are bringing to the market, your leadership, your staffing, anything that has to do with your business. This business plan describes it. So now, as a definition, a business plan is a document that describes a new business, its products and its services, and how it will earn money. Its leadership and staffing, financing, operational models, and other details that has to do with your business. It is also a plan that tells you what you want to do, your future prospects of your business, and how you want to achieve that. Now, who is used by investor-seeking people, the people that want to develop want people to come and invest in their business. Now, which they submit to investors, and this will enable them to raise money. So they're used by investment-seeking entrepreneurs who wants to convey their vision to potential investors. They're also used by employers when they want to employ people. They're used by suppliers. What is a business plan purpose? What is the purpose of having a business plan? Why do you need to have a business plan? Number one, it's used to provide the leadership with people as to what the business entails, what you have, where the business is going to, the plan for today, every information, the market, the strategies it needs to employ in the market to become have a competitive advantage in the market. So a business plan helps the company's founder or leadership to know all these things it needs to know about the business. And the things he needs to know includes the amount of funding it needs, the amount of funding the business needs, the location, optimum location that will be required for the business to make profit, the equipment needed to expand the business, the existing competition. Who are your competitors? A business plan makes you understand your competitors in the market. A business plan helps you to understand that, and also the competitive advantage that you have or an organization has, and how is an organization is supposed to leverage on those competitive advantage. Then, what of a business plan? What are the parts of a business plan? Number one, the first part is the business concept. The business concept, the business about the industry, the products, the services it renders, and how the business is to. That is what the business concept is all about. It tells you everything about the business, the products and services you want to bring to the market, how the business is supposed to be run, and how can the business be successful. Now, the second part of the business plan is the marketplace. The marketplace. Now, what is the marketplace? The marketplace is a place where you would understand your target audience. Am I delivering these services to? Who am I delivering my product or service to? Who are my target audience? Who are my competitors? Who are the competitors in the market? You have to understand that. So your business plan helps you to understand your target market and your competitors, because you need this information in order to make profit. Now, in analyzing your competitors or in analyzing your marketplace, you know your strengths, your weakness, your opportunities, and your threats. Now, that is why a business plan, to have a business plan or write a business plan is important, because it helps you analyze what your strengths are, helps you analyze what your weaknesses are, your opportunities in the environment, in the market, and also the threats. The threat has to do with your competitors. what are the threats that you're facing as a business. Now, the final section of your business plan is your financial section. Your financial section. Now, this explains everything that has to do with your finances, your income, your cash flow, what are the finances required to run your business, what are the expenses you need to do or to get in order for your business to be successful. So your business plan has to have a laid down procedure or laid down financial breakdown, a breakdown of your finances, what you need to put into the business and what should go out of the business in order for your business to be successful. Now, let's go to business plan. What are the key components of a business plan? Number one, your business plan. In your business plan, you should have your executive summary. Number two, your business description. Number three, your market strategies. Number four, your promotion plan. Number five, your competitive advantage. Number six, the design and development plan. Then number seven, financial component. And we're going to explain everything one after the other. Now let's go to number one, which is your executive summary. What is your executive summary? It's a summary of everything that you want to write in your business plan. That is the executive summary. It summarizes everything that your business plan should include, from your products and services to the problems in which you want to solve, to your finances, what you want to put into the business. Your executive summary is supposed to be an embodied, something that embodies everything that your business plan should have. Now, in your executive summary, you should have your business concept. Business concept has to do with the products and services you're bringing to the market. It should also have your financial features. The financial features, the cash flow, the income that you need to put into the business, the expenses, everything that has to do with finances. Your executive summary is supposed to have that. Now, it's supposed to have your financial requirements. Financial requirements. What are the requirements financially? What do you need to fund the business? How much capital in order to fund the business, in order to make the business to expand? What are the financial requirements you need? Then it's supposed to have position. Your current business position. Your executive summary is supposed to describe your current business position. What the business is, how the business is right now, and what it tends to be in the future, and the legal position of your business, principal owners, and personnel. You have to list all this in your executive summary. Then also your major achievements. The executive summary should have your major achievements. What have you achieved in the past, and what are you yet to achieve? The executive summary should list that. Key component of a business plan is business description. Business description, it describes, when describing a business description, you have to look at various products and services you want to render, the new products and services you want to render, and what is already in the market. Now, that is what your business description should have. Now, another key component of a business plan is your market strategies. Your market strategies. I defined earlier on that a marketplace is where you have your target audience, your target customers who you want to sell to, and also your company. This to help you analyze the market, because you need to analyze the market before you go into your business. Now, your business analytics will give you or your potential investors an analysis of the market, of the what are your target audience, how is your market, your competitors in the market, and the strategies you wish to put in place in order to become a competitive or have a competitive edge in the market. Now, those are your strategies. What strategies are you supposed to put in place in order to win your target audience? Now, we go to another key component is promotion plan. Promotion plan. What is promotion plan? Promotion plan is this or service. It's a plan that is designed to sell your product or service. How do you want to sell your product or service? You have to come up with a promotion plan. Promotion plan has to do with designing your product, how you want to sell your product and service. What are the promotions you need to put in place in order to sell your product and service? That is what a promotion plan is all about. Now, from the advertising to the packaging, you know that without marketing, without advertising, you would not have a good market share. And for you to be able to make it in the business line, you need a very wide market share. So you have to have a means of advertising your product, a means of packaging is also very, very important when you want to make it in business. You need to package your product very well, because one of the things that makes a product, or one of the things that makes a customer approach you or use your product for a very long time is the packaging, number one, the pricing, the improvement, innovation to bring into how you render your services. Now, you need sales promotion, put in place sales, your public relations, and also your customer service has to be in check. So your business plan makes you understand this aspect. Another key component of your business plan is competitive analysis. Competitive analysis. This is a statement on how to relate to competition. How you relate with competition. Now, believe it or not, no matter the product or service you bring into the market, you have a competition. So, someone that already has that product in the market. Your competitors are people that have similar products in the market. So analyze your competitors. That is competitive analysis. You have to analyze them and know what you will bring into the market that they do not have. Have an edge over them. Number 6 component of a business plan is design and development plan. Design and development plan. Now, the purpose of a design and development plan is to provide the investors with a description of your product design. Description of your product design, description of your development plan, and the content of your production, what you need, what is your product design and development plan. And the purpose of your design and development plan is to provide your investors on description of your product design, the development, and your marketing strategies that you need, your development budget, the budget you need that you have put in place. It's just to describe to your investors on your product design and your development plan. Financial component. Financial component has to do with everything that pertains to finances, aspects of your business. Now, your business plan should have your cash flow, your income statement, your financial position, so that your investors, whoever wants to invest in it, or whoever is reading your plan, will be able to understand that aspect with the financial position of your business, and whether your business is a going concern business, whether it's going to survive in the nearest future. Financial component has to do with everything that pertains to finances of your business. And it has to do with your cash flow, your income, your expenses, what you have done in the business that requires money, your cash flow, the income that you have gotten in the business. You have to write down everything so that your investors will be able to analyze it and know whether to invest in the business or not. You need a business plan. You need a business plan in order to know where you are, where you're going, and how to get to where you're going. So a business plan is useful. A startup needs a business plan. Number two, people that are established people that have an established company, they also need a business plan to be able to know whether they have achieved to know where they are going to, where they have gotten to, and how to get to where they want to go to. The business plan helps them in analyzing where their position right now and where they want to be in future and how to get there. Now, when are you to update your business plan? When are you to update your business plan? You know, business plans are supposed to be updated frequently. It's not for you to just write it and dump it. Number one, you need to update your business plan when you have a new financial period to begin. You need to update your business plan annually, either annually, quarterly, or monthly. Depending on your financial period yearly, is it quarterly or is it monthly? Each time you have a financial period to begin, you need to update your business plan. And always make sure that you analyze where you are and where you're going to. And if you have achieved that, always have a new goal to achieve. Number two, you need a business plan when you need financing or additional finances. Number three, when there's a significant market change. When you want to bring in new products and services into the market, you need to write a new business plan. Number four, when your firm develops or is about to develop a new product, you need to write a new business plan. Number five, when there's a change in management, you need to write a business plan. When you have crossed a threshold, maybe you have put a target and you have crossed that target, probably you wanted to hit maybe 1 million sales, or you have to write a business plan. Then when your old plan doesn't seem to reflect of the reality anymore, you need to write a new business plan. Now, implementing a business plan. How do you implement a business plan? To implement a business plan, you have to plan is realistic. Your plan must be realistic. Your plan must have a clear outline of the following: your business proposition, your marketing, your operations, your finances. It has to have a clear outline of that. Your plan must be realistic. Then number two, to implement your business plan, you have to set your objectives. What are my objectives? You have to know your objectives and know your goals. That is a way of implementing your business plan. Set your objectives to achieve in this business. What are my goals? What do I need? What do I need to achieve? What am I going to venture in this business? You need to set your objectives. Then you need to set tasks to reach your objectives. Now, this is a goal I have placed for my business, to be have a company or to have an industry. Now, in order to have an industry, probably your goal is to have an industry in the nearest future. In order to have an industry, what are the tasks I need to put in place in order to achieve this? This is something you need in implementing your business plan. Now, action is very important. When implementing your business plan, you need to have a time frame. A time frame that, okay, for example, I need to achieve this. Now, what time do I need? From when to when do I need to achieve this? Have a time frame and always make sure you achieve your goal within that time frame. Now, number five, in implementing your business plan, you need to always review your progress. Always review your progress. Where have I gotten to? Am I actually progressing? Number 6, keep a tab on your finances. Keep a tab on your finances. In implementing your business plans, am I actually making the required finance I'm supposed to make in this business? If I am not, what do I need to do to make the required profit I'm supposed to make in this business? Always keep a tab, because by the time you do not keep a tab, you might actually be making a loss instead of a profit. Always keep a tab. That is one reason you need to have a business plan, and also it will also help you in implementing your business plan. Always keep a tab on your finances. Now, join a trade association or a networking group. A trade association or a networking group. Business plans are always dynamic. Make sure you join a trade association or a networking group that would help you out in legal updates, in your financial updates. Those groups that will help you out in your competitors, your aspects of your competitors, and what to do in order to make it out there. Do your business plan. Regularly review your business plan. Always review your business plan. When you place a target, review it. Write another one, write a new one, and always review your business plan. Review your business basis. Always compare budgeted numbers to actual figures in doing business. Then also determine whether you can keep operating as you are, or whether you need to make changes, such as reducing costs, raising prices, or increasing markets. Now, what are the ways you need to have a great business idea? What are the things you need to put in place in implementing your great business ideas? Number 1, share your business idea. Share your business idea. Who are you to share your business ideas to? You can share your business ideas to people that have similar ideas with you, in order to be able to get more idea, or how they were able to excel in their business. You need to share your business ideas to also your friends, to your families. You need to share your business ideas to investors also, so that in case you want them to invest into your business, you need financial help, they can also help you out. Number 2, you find a mentor. Find a mentor, someone who has succeeded in the business line you want to go into. You find a mentor, a mentor, someone who can mentor you, someone who can help you out in the business line you want to venture into. Number 3, you have to make a business plan. Make a business plan. We're talking about ways to implement a great business idea. You make a business plan. Number 4, you understand your market and adapt to change. Understand your market and adapt to change. I explained markets to you. You should have understood that by now. Understand your market. If there are threats, adapt to change. Number 5, learn the technicalities. Learn the technicalities of your business. Learn the technicalities. Then number 6, pick a good team to initiate growth. Pick a good team to initiate growth. The team you have is very, very important in initiating growth of your business, initiating the growth of your business. Always pick the best. Always pick a good team to initiate growth. Create a website suitable to your business. When you have a business idea, create a website. This enables other people, you have not gone to them to market your product, it enables them to see it. Other people all over the country, other people all over the world sees your business when you have a website. So always make sure you create a website in order to market your business. Then number 8, use free resources online to reach to your customers. This is very important. Take advantage of social medias. Take advantage of online tools you can use to reach to your customers. always reach to your customers so that you will not have to lose them. Always reach to your customers. In summary, note that a business plan is necessary for the success of your business, and make sure you don't only write a business plan but implement it. And by the time you have reached a point where you need to review it and write another one, please try to write another business plan. Thank you very much. As you know, this is an interactive class. You have opportunities to ask your questions. I'm always here to answer you. Just write down your questions and I'm here to reply and answer your questions. Thank you.